In this particular instance, from the state of Georgia, a bunch of Georgia politicians, under the guise of the Georgia legislature, sold millions of acres of land, way undervalued. And of course, the law of the buyers were the very same politicians in the legislature. So, yeah, not much has changed when it comes to government corruption. And like I said, it might be kind of hard to hold corporations accountable when the governments are doing the same old shit as well. And around the same time, we did have the Blount conspiracy, and that conspiracy was rather boring in the scheme of things, especially when you start looking at all the sketchy crap the railroad industry did back in the day. Two noted railroad scandals, the Credit Mobilier and the Erie War in the 1860s and 70s, were huge scandals that rocked the nation and the government.